Today we are going to discuss about percentage. This is class 2 of percentage. We have already done class 1 of percentage. So in class 1 we have discussed like how many questions are asked on percentage in past years. See, every year 3 question, 2 question, 2 question, etc. are asked. In 2021 4 questions are asked from percentage. So in 2023 also you can expect somewhere between 2 to 4 questions on percentage. So in first class we have discussed like percentage ka formula and how to calculate percentage with ease. So please go and watch class 1 if you haven't watched class 1. So सिर्फ क्लास 1 देखने के बाद ही ये क्लास देखना, अदरवाइज यू विल फाइंड डिफिकल्टी इन understanding this class. So once you watch class 1 then it becomes very easy. So yesterday in class 1 we have discussed few things like concepts and few previous year questions also. So in this class we will continue the last class and we will discuss previous year questions asked on percentage. So chalte. So this is like next question. See, this is asked in UPSC 2021. So very easy question. So let's read the question. It is P scored 40 marks more than Q. So what is that? P scored 40 marks more than Q. 40 plus Q. SI P scored 40 marks more than Q. P is equal to 40 plus Q. In an examination, if Q scored 10% less marks than P, if Q scored 10% less than P, so देखो P minus Q is equal to 10%, right? So यही पूछ रहा है Q scored 10% marks less than P. So it is P scored P minus Q is equal to 10% because Q scored less than 10%. See here from this equation we are also getting P minus Q is equal to 40. Here P minus Q is equal to 10%. So 10% marks is equal to 40 marks. So this is like P scored 10% marks more than Q. So 100% marks कितना हो गया? It's like P scored 40 marks more than Q, which is 10%. So 100% is like 400 marks, right? So this is like total P score. So you are getting? So from 10% we got like into 10 is 100% हो गया, into 10 is 400 marks. So now P scored 400 marks. Then how much did Q score? So Q scored कितना? Like given P minus Q is equal to 40, so Q is equal to 360 from this given equation. So or this equation, so P is 400, so Q is 360 आएगा तो इधर 400 आएगा. So question answer is 360. So very easy question. You just need to understand the relation between these two statements given in the question. 40 marks is equal to 10%. So once you know that, then you can easily solve this question. So then moving to next question. This is asked in 2019 in UPSC. So the question is, there are A and B are two heavy steel blocks. चलो ये है B, two heavy steel blocks दिया हुआ. If B is placed on the top of A, the weight increases by 60%. So if B is placed on top of A, द वेट इंक्रीजेस बाई 60%, मतलब दोनों का मिलके 60% इंक्रीज होगा. सो लेट्स एज्यूम A is equal to 100 kg. So once we put B on top of it, so weight increases by 60%. So दोनों का 60% इंक्रीज हो रहा है. So A plus B is equal to 60% इंक्रीज होने के बाद on 100, so 100 60% is what, 60, right? So 60 इंक्रीज होने के बाद ये हो रहा है 160 A plus B का. So A plus B is 160. So if A is 100, then B is 60. So 160 हो जाए. So B का value we got is 60. Then there are how much weight will reduce with respect to total weight of A and B if B is removed from top of A. अब क्या बोल रहा है कि if B is removed, so if B is removed, how much weight will reduce with respect to total weight of A and B. So क्या, so percentage का formula is what? Given quantity by total quantity into 100. So here given quantity is, total quantity is what? पहले total weight of A and B, ठीक है, 160, and given quantity is how much weight will reduce if B is removed from top of A. So B is what? 60 into 100. So cancel 0, that is like chalo, so 60 by 160 into 100. So let's see, here cancel. So and here 8s are and 3s are, 2 8s are and 2 3s are. Here again 4s are and 50s are. So then again 2 and 25. So that is like 75. So 3 into 25, 75 by 2. So that is 37.5%. So answer is D, 37.5. So you are getting like how we need to use, like once we got the value, then given by formula we will use like total is 160, then what is asked, B, value of B 60 into 100. So we will get the formula. So easy concept. Then again we will go to next question. So next question is asked in UPSC 2017. So question is like P is equal to 40% of A plus 65% of B. Q is equal to दिया हुआ where A is greater than B. A is greater than B. So what is given? See, P is equal to 40% of A plus 65% of B, and Q is equal to 50% of A plus 50% of B. Then we are given A is greater than B. So A is greater than B given. Then contest which of the following statements is true, like P is greater than Q ऐसा दिया हुआ. So in these kind of cases what do? You just take values of A and B, like say, let's say you can take, so you can take some values of A and B and you can do the method. See, say A is greater than B है, so if you take B as 100, you can take A as 200. So we are taking 100 and 200 as examples because it's easy to calculate. So now P, let's put values here. So P is 40% of 200 plus 65% of 100, like B. ठीक है, ये कितना हो गया? सी 40%, 40 by 100 into 200. सो इधर हो गया, ये हो गया 80 प्लस 65 by 100 into 100. सो ये हो गया 65. सो P is equal to 145 आ गया. Then let's calculate Q also. Q is equal to 50% of A. So 50% of A is 200 plus 50% of B. 50% of 100, B is 100, right? So here we are getting 50% of 50 by 100 into 200, that is like 2 plus 50% of 100 is what? 50 by 100 into 100. So that is 100 plus 50, either say 100. So Q is equal to 150. So here we are getting Q is greater than P. So Q is, so P is greater than Q. This is wrong. And P is equal to Q. No, they are not equal. So this is also wrong. So now we are left with two options. Okay, Q is greater than P, and so it is like one example. So let's take another example. Let's say take now, see, in these kind of questions what you need to do is like, now you taken like example of 200 and 100. So to get difference you can take जहाँ ज़्यादा difference है. Like now let's take A is 300. So A must be greater than B, right? A is 300 and B as 10. So B as 10 देखते हैं. Then so let's calculate P का क्या है? 40% of 40 by 100 into 300 plus 65 by 100 into 10. So कितना हो गया? It is 340 into 3, 120 plus 10, 6.5. So 65 by 10 is 6.5. So it is like 126.5 P का value. Then Q का calculate करो. Q is like 50% of 300, 50 by 100 into 300 plus 50% of 10, 50 by 100 into 10. So here again 53 is 150 plus 50% of 10. So 10 by, this is like 5. So 155. So here also Q is greater than P. So Q again is greater than P. So we cannot conclude like क्या है. Then what do? You take one more example. A greater than B. Now take example so that difference is very less. Say A, you can take it as 5 and B you can take it as 4. So then again calculate P and again calculate Q. That is 40%. So let's do one thing. 5, 4 it is getting in points. So let's take like 25 and 20 as A and B. So that is like 40% of 25, ठीक है, plus 65% of 20. Then again 50% of 25 plus 50% of 20. So कितना आएगा इधर? 4s are 4, 10. Then again here it's like 5. 65 by 5 is 13, right? So it is P is equal to 10 plus 13 is 23. So Q का then 4 here it is 4s are 12.5 something. So Q is equal to, then here again 5 and 10. So 12.5 plus 10, so that is 22.5. So here Q is less than P, so Q is less than P, so Q is greater than A भी गलत हो गया, so option D is correct. See, now we have solved this question. Now let me tell you how to solve these kind of questions in a easy manner. ठीक है, इतना कैलकुलेट करने के भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. सी, आई हैव सॉल्व इट बिकॉज टू टेल यू हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. बट देखो कैसे सॉल्व करते. सी हियर P is given. See, they haven't given whether A is positive or A is negative, or B can be positive integer or negative integer. ठीक है. So here while solving examples we have taken all as positive only. अगर मान ले ये -150 लेता या B -200 लेता, here also A is greater than B, right? ठीक है. अगर then or we can take A as 0 or B as -200. Here also A is greater than B, right? So in these kind of cases where nothing is given, whether A is positive integer or negative integer, nothing is given, then in every case it would be none of the above can be concluded with certainty. Because जहाँ इतना possibility से negative में percentage में आएगा. So in these kind of questions what you need to do is take examples and solve. So see, if either given कि A and B are positive integers दिया, ठीक है, और natural numbers ऐसा दिया, तो then you can take those numbers only. But here if it is not given, then you can take positive integers, negative integers, etc. ठीक है. So you need to keep this in mind whether ये और बी के बारे में, नंबर के बारे में कुछ बताया कि नहीं बताया. उसके बाद देन यू नीड टू फॉलो दिस अप्रोचेस. लाइक फर्स्ट इज डिफरेंस, नंबर्स लो. जैसे ए ग्रेटर देन बी दिया है, सो 100 और 200 जहाँ डिफरेंस ज़्यादा है वो लेना है. देन ये ग्रेटर देन बी, जहाँ डिफरेंस कम है वो लेना है, लाइक 100 और 90 ले लो. ठीक है. देन व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज लाइक चेक फॉर पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, नेगेटिव नंबर्स एंड zeros also. लाइक टेक ए एज, ये को नेगेटिव नंबर लो लाइक -100, बी को -200. ठीक है. और you can take A as 0, B as -100. ठीक है. ये सब चीज़ें चेक करना है. अगर सब चीज़ें में कोई भी पॉसिबिलिटी कट रहा है तो उनको काट देना है. देन जो भी आएगा वो करना है. सो सी दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस नॉट जस्ट इन परसेंटेज, लाइक नंबर सिस्टम में भी यूपीएससी आस्क्स, राइट. सो if you have good knowledge of number system, so you can watch my class on number system also, then you can use these number system concept to solve these kind of questions. ठीक है. Then let's move to next question. So next question is asked in UPSC 2022. ठीक है. So solve करते हैं. Two candidates X and Y contested in an election. देखो X and Y contested in an election. 80% of the voters cast their vote. So देखो 100% है, ठीक है, वोटर्स. बट क्या दिया, 80% ऑफ वोटर्स कास्ट देयर वोट, सो सिर्फ 80% ही कास्ट देयर वोट, ठीक है। देर आर नो इनवैलिड वोट्स, सो इनवैलिड वोट्स सारे 80% वोट्स है वो वैलिड वोट्स है। देर वॉज नो नोट ऑप्शन ऑल्सो, सो नन ऑफ द अदर भी नहीं है, सिर्फ दो लोग कैंडिडेट्स खड़ा हुआ एक्स एंड वाई, तो 80%, सो एक्स गॉट 56% ऑफ द वोट। सो इस 80% में से नोटा है नहीं, इनवैलिड वोट्स है नहीं, सो एक्स गॉट व्हाट 56% ऑफ वोट्स एंड 1/1400। अगर मान ले इधर x का 56% है तो y का कितना 44% वोट मिला है, क्योंकि ना इनवैलिड वोट्स है ना नोटा वोट्स है। एंड x गॉट 56% वोट एंड 1/440 वोट, सो इधर क्या दे रहा है x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 1440, यही दे रहा है ना। एंड 1/1440 वोट्स का मतलब क्या है, ठीक है, यू गॉट इट, x माइनस वाई, x हैज 1, ठीक है, विथ 1440 वोट्स, सो x माइनस वाई इज व्हाट परसेंटेज टर्म्स में 56% माइनस 44% इज इक्वल टू 1440 वोट्स, ठीक है। सो 12% इज इक्वल टू 1440 वोट्स, सो x गॉट 12% वोट्स मोर देन y, एंड वो 12% है 1440। अब 12% वोट्स है 1440 है, तो 1% कितना होगा, 1% इज इक्वल टू 1440/12, so if you do 1% is 14 12s are 144, 12 12s are 144, so 1% of votes is equal to 120, so 100% कितना, ठीक है, 100% इज 12,000, सो देखो इंटू 100 किया, इधर भी इंटू 100 करना है, सो 12,000 वोट्स आ गया। सो दिस 12,000 वोट्स इज व्हाट 100% ऑफ वोट्स कास्टेड, ठीक है। जो 80% का जो बात हो रहा है ये है 80% का पूरा वोट्स कास्टेड है, ठीक है। नाउ क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट, क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोटर्स इन द वोटर लिस्ट, सो ये पूछ रहा है टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोटर्स 100, जो कास्ट किया वो है 1200, सो वोट्स कास्टेड है 12%, सो बाकी बचा हुआ 20% और है, ठीक है। अब देखो ऑप्शंस वेरीफाई करो, 1200 तो हो ही नहीं सकता बिकॉज 1200 इज नॉट वोट्स कास्टेड, बट वोटर लिस्ट का नहीं है, सो 9 ये भी नहीं हो सकता, 5000 बिकॉज 100% में से 80% कास्ट किया तो उससे ज़्यादा ही होना चाहिए, तो ये 1500। ये अगर मान ले कैलकुलेट भी करना है, सो इधर कैलकुलेट कैसे करना है, देखो हमें कितना आ गया 80% है वो आ गया 12,000, ठीक है, यही तो था ना। अब इधर से क्या हमें पता होना चाहिए कि 1% कितना है, इज 12,000/80, ठीक है, और सब कैलकुलेट किया तो ये आएगा 150, सो 100% इज इक्वल टू 15,000, ठीक है, सो ये आ गया, दिस इज करेक्ट आंसर। सो यू गॉट इट, सो यू नीड टू बी वेल अवेयर वेदर टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोट्स पूछ रहा है इन द वोटर लिस्ट और पूरे कास्ट कितने किया है, सो यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट ईच वर्ड, ठीक है, यू आर गेटिंग। सो देन लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सी दीज क्वेश्चंस आर bit tricky. So yesterday the questions we solved are very easy, so today we are solving few मतलब थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, नॉट मच डिफिकल्ट. यू नीड टू बी वेल अवेयर ऑफ क्वेश्चन. You need to read question properly. So next is, in a test a candidate attempted only 8 questions and secured 50% marks in each of the questions. ठीक है, in a test a candidate attempted only 8 questions attempt किया है, ठीक है, and secured 50% marks, 50% marks in each question. Say, so इस क्वेश्चन में let's assume भाई 1 क्वेश्चन इज इक्वल टू 100 मार्क्स का है, ठीक है, लेट्स एज्यूम करते हैं. देन सिक्योर्ड 50% मार्क्स इन ईच क्वेश्चन. सो 8 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किया है एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन में 1 क्वेश्चन इज 100 मार्क्स. सो एवरी क्वेश्चन ही इज स्कोरिंग 50 मार्क्स, राइट. 50% ऑफ 100 इज इक्वल टू 50 मार्क्स, राइट. सो इन 8 क्वेश्चंस he scored 50 marks in each question. So in entire 8 questions में he scored 8 into 50 is equal to 400 marks, ठीक है. each question, if he obtained a total of 40% in the test, 40% in the test, so 40% is equal to 400 marks, ठीक है. यही तो गिवन है ना. इफ ही obtained total of 40% in the test and all questions in the test carried equal marks. भाई तो 40% मार्क्स है, so he was getting, so 40% is equal to 400 marks. Then how many questions were there in the test? देखो अभी 40% है, 400 मार्क्स का है, so 100% कितना हो गया, ठीक है. सो अगर 100% कैलकुलेट करना है तो भाई 1% कैलकुलेट करो. 1% इज 400 बाई 40, सो ये हो गया 10. सो 1% इज इक्वल टू 10. 100% कितना हो गया, 100% इज 1000 इंटू 100, हियर ऑल्सो इंटू 100. सो 100% इज इक्वल टू 1000. सो पूरा 1000 मार्क्स का टेस्ट है, ठीक है. हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस वर देयर इन द टेस्ट. सो 1000 मार्क्स का टेस्ट में इसको आ रहा है 400 मार्क्स, ठीक है, बाय अटेम्प्टिंग ये. जैसे सारे क्वेश्चंस कितने हैं, अगर ईच क्वेश्चन का 100 मार्क्स का है, सो टोटल टेस्ट का 1000 मार्क्स का है, सो 10 क्वेश्चंस इज इक्वल टू 1000 मार्क्स, because we took 1 question is equal to 100 मार्क का. 1 क्वेश्चन 100 मार्क्स का, 10 क्वेश्चंस 1000 मार्क्स का इधर से पूरा आ गया, सो 10 क्वेश्चंस है, सो 10 क्वेश्चंस इज द आंसर. सो यू आर गेटिंग लाइक सिंपल क्वेश्चंस. पॉइंट जो इधर दिया हुआ है, ये दोनों का मीनिंग समझ में आ गया. link between these two lines is got, then you will easily solve this question. So then चलते हैं next question. Next question is asked in UPSC 2017. See, this is very tricky question. You need to be careful. See, generally I would recommend you to not answer these kind of lengthy questions. चलो देखते हैं, हम पहले चेक करते फिर देखते कि लेंथी है कि नहीं. सो इन ए सिटी 12% ऑफ हाउस होल्ड्स अर्न लेस देन 30,000. सो 12% अर्न लेस देन 30,000, ठीक है. 6% हाउस होल्ड अर्न मोर देन 2 लाख पर ईयर. सो पर ईयर. So 6% households earn more than 2 lakh, ठीक है. And 22% households earn more than 1 lakh. So 22% households earn more than 1 lakh, ठीक है. And 990 households earn between 30,000 and 1 lakh per year. So देखो अभी इधर क्या है, ये दिया है कि 990 हाउस होल्ड्स अर्न बिटवीन 1 lakh. 990 people earn between 30,000 to 1 lakh. ठीक है. सो अब टोटल है 100% माइनस लेस देन 30,000 कितना है 12%. सो इसको माइनस करेंगे बिकॉज दे आर टू गेट दिस 30,000 टू 1 lakh बीच में 990 लोग हैं. सो टोटल 100% में से वी नीड टू माइनस दोज हु आर लेस देन 30,000, राइट. सो माइनस 12% माइनस मोर देन 1 lakh से कितना है. सो 22% माइनस 22%. सो दिस कम्स आउट टू बी what 66%. So 66% are is equal to 990. ठीक है. So 66% of total is equal to 990. So total calculate करने के लिए you need what 66 into 100 to 990. So it comes out to be cancel. This is like 33 twos are and 33 threes are. ठीक है. And t from this you can calculate t is equal to so here 2 5s are, so it is like 1500 टोटल आ जाएगा. ठीक है. वैल्यू ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू 1500. ठीक है. सो देन क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट हाउ मेनी हाउस होल्ड्स अर्न बिटवीन 1 lakh and 2 lakhs. This is the question. How many households earn between 1 lakh and 2 lakhs? So total is 1500. So out of 1500 में से 1500 में से between 1 lakh and 2 lakh per year. So here देखो, this is like they are earning more than 1 lakh. ठीक है. 22% are earning more than 1 lakh. ठीक है. बट 6% are earning more than 2 lakhs. So you need to minus. So because they are earning more than 2 lakhs, we need to get between 1 lakh to 2 lakhs. So 22 minus 6 is equal to 16%. So 16% are those who are earning between 1 lakh and 2 lakhs. So 16% of total, that is 1500. So it is like 16 into 15 is what? 16 into 15 is 240. So total 240 people are earning between 1 lakh and 2 lakh. So here you need to know, like, though all those who are earning more than 1 lakh are 22%. So this 22% includes this 6% also. So that is why we need to minus 22% minus 6%. ठीक है. So that is the case. So we are getting 16%. 16% are earning between 1 lakh and 22. So 16% of total is 240. That's it. So this is the thing. So in this class we have done few questions based on percentage. So see, percentage, so this is class 2 is done. So in class 3 we will discuss about percentage to fraction concept. ठीक है. And questions, previous year questions asked based on this percentage to fraction model. ठीक है. So that's it for today's class. see you in the next class, that is third class on percentage. Bye.